Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we uncover the truth behind trending online products and services. Today, we're reviewing Tuvilo Dentures, a brand that claims to offer realistic, affordable, and comfortable dentures right from your home. But are these dentures really worth it, or just another clever marketing scam? Let's find out. So, Tuvilo claims to provide custom-fit dentures that can improve your smile instantly without dentist visits. According to their website, you just order a kit, take your dental impressions at home, send them back, and receive your personalized dentures within weeks. Sounds convenient, right? But here's the catch. The website doesn't provide much background about who makes these dentures, where they're produced, or what certifications they have. That's a red flag when it comes to anything medical or dental. When checking online reviews, the story gets a little mixed. Some buyers say Tuvilo Dentures arrived late or didn't fit properly, despite sending their impressions back multiple times. Others complained about poor communication and no clear return policy. Also, there's no physical address or professional dental registration shown on their site. That's a huge concern because real dental labs must meet certain health and safety standards. Even their photos and testimonials look too polished, which might mean they're stock images, another warning sign. So, is Tuvilo Dentures worth your money? If you're looking for an affordable denture solution, it might seem tempting. But based on the lack of verified information, unclear company background, and questionable reviews, it's best to approach with caution. Instead, consider going with a licensed dental provider or trusted dental lab where you can verify the work and materials used. Remember, when it comes to your teeth and health, safety should always come before saving money. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest scam checks and product reviews. This is Online Scam Advisor, helping you stay safe online. Thank you.